We go ban Okada riders for Naija. Federal government na him talk this one. Federal government don hold national security meeting to chook mouth for security matter for Naija. This meeting wey shele on Thursday for Aso Rock na the second national security meeting in 2 weeks. Dem chook mouth for the Kuje prison break and the kidnapping and killy when they happen for Naija.
We had extensive discussions on every aspect of issues concerning security and insecurity in Nigeria. It shows the concern and the commitment of the federal government to the security of the Nigerian people. That I must emphasize.
Minister for Justice and Attorney General of the Federation, Abubakar Malami, call young Tori people say government they consider to ban Okada everywhere for inside Nigeria. Sake of say they help terrorists do their waka to cause katakata for Nigeria and constantly plan to suspend many activities. Sake of say terrorists they use them fund the katakata when they do for Nigeria.
The major consideration and the basis for determination of productivity or otherwise is the national interest. We are Nigerians because Nigeria as a country exists. And any issue that at the end of the day will translate to threat on the national security, corporate existence of a country requires for certain sacrifices. So regardless of the means that is being considered for perhaps a possible banning, provided what matters is a sacrifice that will see us through addressing the security challenges, I think no sacrifice is too big as far as that issue is concerned. And above all, if you are talking of perhaps banning the motorcycles, for example, I believe the component or perhaps the number of people that could be using the motorcycle in Nigerian state may not be up to 20% of the Nigerian population. So if the 20% of the Nigerian population is called upon to now make certain sacrifices for the purpose of addressing a challenge, a security challenge that is all-pervading, affecting over 200 million Nigerians, that sacrifice, to my mind, is indeed a sacrifice worthy of being considered.
Raul Farigbesola, when the Minister for Interior, court talk say people when cause the prison break when shele for Kuje prison will face the consequences.
We identify all those whose action or inaction led to that unfortunate incident. Whoever was responsible for the failure of defense and security and the breach of that institution or facility will face the consequence.
Mr. President has specifically made mention of the implication of these threats to famine in our country. And he has directed government should take all technological and administrative measures to ensure that our farmers do actually go back to their farms to ensure that we have food in this country to eat and to export.
Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News.